my bag. Sister bought it from. Hi everyone and welcome back, or if you're new here then hi and namaste. I'm Shreya and this video is going to be about what's in my bag. So I personally love to watch these types of videos, random लोगों के bag में क्या क्या है. So I just thought I'll make a version for myself because I think, at least I think, that my bag is also very interesting. Okay, so this is my bag. This is my bag. It's from Zook and it's very heavy. So in case I'm carrying a sling bag, तो of course उसमें ये सब सामान नहीं होता. But this is like a full day bag. अगर मैं पूरे दिन के लिए बाहर जा रही हूँ, I mostly carry this bag and this has all my belongings. So I think let's start. If you see this bag, I think this is the perfect bag, especially for office work and all of that, क्योंकि it's very well made. इसमें बहुत सारे अलग compartments है for laptop, for your pens, for there is a separate compartment where you can keep your electronics or maybe some files or folders. This is not sponsored by Zook, but it should be. Zook, please. This is the most precise tote bag that I've seen in the market and this was in my wish list since a very long time. तो मैंने ये finally लिया and it's been almost a year since I'm using it. और इसमें लिटरली मेरा सारा सामान आ जाता है. So the first thing that I have in my bag is
a few moments later.
It's my laptop and you can see it's a huge laptop, like it's big. Dimensions मुझे याद नहीं है but it's very big, ठीक है, and काफी heavy भी है. It's a gaming laptop. This bag can carry a freaking gaming laptop, which is a big deal. Now that I have a laptop, तो साथ में of course I have the charger, इतना बड़ा सा charger, and also a mouse. So this was an external mouse and I've been using it since like 6 months or something. For me, a mouse is a need with a laptop. मैं बिना mouse के काम नहीं कर पाती. Okay, moving on to the interesting parts. मतलब interesting तो वैसे सब कुछ ही है, I think, but आगे बढ़ते हैं. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा where should I start from. Yeah, so I can see my AirPods and it's super cute. इसमें पिकाचू बना हुआ है. अभी थोड़ा गंदा हो गया है बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स एंड इट्स वेरी क्यूट. एंड इफ आई एम गोइंग आउट, ऑफ कोर्स आई ऑलवेज हैव माई एयरपॉड्स. फिर आता है बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट, मेरे चश्मे का बॉक्स. आई एम अ चश्मिश बचपन से एंड चश्मे का बॉक्स. अभी इसमें चश्मा नहीं है क्योंकि कहीं है रूम में, ठीक है. एंड देर इज़ अ कपड़ा विद इट बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स. Then I have a notebook. I always have a notebook or a notepad or a diary, something or the other, because शायद मैं इतना लिखती नहीं लिखती हूँ मैं, but मेरे को बस चाहिए होता है. It's just in my head. I always need a notebook. So yeah. Then of course I have my wallet. It's a recent purchase and I think it's very cute. Especially look at that pom-pom. So I have all the cards and obviously necessary IDs, all of it in this. Then as I said, मेरे पास notebook थी तो of course I have pens also and I have two. Okay, एक तो pen है normal gel pen. Then I have a sketch pen also. I like to highlight things, make a border around things, or just I need two colors. I need some variation. तो मेरे पास एक sketch pen है red color का. This keeps on changing and I have a blue gel pen. I like gel pens only. मेरे को ball pens बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. So okay, so most of my essentials are out already. Essential तो वैसे अंदर जो है वो भी है, but now the things that I am going to show you are something that is subjective. I think it's not a need for a lot of people, but I like to carry it. So I have a sanitizer. This very cute Ichku sanitizer that I have. Then I have a claw clip. So this is a new claw clip. इससे पहले मेरे पास दूसरा था. Right now I am using this one. ये मैंने recently अपने एक short video में दिखाया था. I bought this from Mr. DIY, so it's from there. Then I have this hand cream. I always carry it whenever I'm going outside. This is like a recent purchase. एक new item है जो मेरे collection में add हुआ है. And I think it's really nice. मेरे हाथ बड़ी जल्दी dry हो जाते हैं. So I think it's a nice addition. It's something that people should have. And also it smells so good. Then I have a mini perfume. I am not sure where I got it from. I think, if I'm not wrong, my sister bought it from Dubai because it gives me इत्र vibe. Yeah, definitely. तो इसकी बहुत ही अच्छी ऐसे फ्रूटी सी सेंट है and it's not very hard. I don't like fragrances जो बहुत harsh हो. मेरे को थोड़ी light fragrances अच्छी लगती है. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा hard fragrance है तो वो मेरे सर में दर्द होने लगता है उससे. So I don't like it at all. Okay, then I have these two. This is a sunscreen. I like to keep a sunscreen with me in a hope that I will apply it more often. I definitely forget about it. मैं सुबह तो लगाने लगी हूँ. I apply sunscreen every day now, that is for sure, but I just forget to reapply. But yeah, I anyways like to carry it just in case I get that awakening. Then I have this underarm roll-on. So I have been using it since a very long time and I'm just keeping it in my bag because मुझे इसे ख़त्म करना है. I'm currently not using this a lot because I'm using the other one. It's from Be Body Wise, जो new वाला है. So I like that much more than this one, but I just need to finish it. So I'm anyways carrying it in my bag. Then I have a sanitary pad because of course you always need it. And now only very few things are left in my bag. एक last के compartment में कुछ चीज़ें बची हैं. So I have some lipsticks. I always have some lipsticks and these are the two shades. एक ये dark maroonish color है और एक ये red वाला है. So for me, makeup is lipsticks. So I always carry lipsticks. And this is something that I started doing when I was like actively like going to office every day. So I would just wake up and apply lipsticks. Both are like really pretty dark shades. Another thing that I like to carry with lipsticks are my hoop earrings because I think you don't need anything. If you are wearing your hoop earrings and lipstick, my look is complete. ऐसा लगता है कुछ तो किया है, like you have tried to put efforts and that's all what matters. These are the tiny hoop earrings, very basic gold hoop. It's kind of a wardrobe essential that I just like to keep in my bag. Then I have a few rubber bands because obviously sometimes these hair get annoyed and it just comes in the way. So this is just needed. अब लिपस्टिक की बात हो ही रही थी, so I definitely need to have a lip balm also. So this is a lip balm. It's a very nice chocolate lip balm. बहुत ही अच्छी scent है इसकी. I just like to have it around me at all times. This is how it looks like. Look how pretty it is. The packaging is so cute. It definitely looks like chocolate. And if I open it, you can see मैंने कितना सारा use कर लिया है. इतना सारा मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है and again it looks like chocolate in the inside and I like to like थोड़ा सा and I see. The last thing that I have in my bag is my business card. I designed my own business card and I think it's very cute. Firstly, I would like to take a moment and show off how it looks because I think it's very cute. So on the first side I've written let's work together because let's work together, and then on the other side I have my contact number, my website address and also my Instagram page ka scanner, so you can contact me in case we can work together. So I do video editing, graphic design and social media management, so in case like वैसे तो दिस चैनल इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड बट छोटा सा प्लग इन करने में क्या जाता है, आफ्टर ऑल इट्स माई चैनल. So this was everything what is in my bag, and I really hope you must have enjoyed watching it. I really loved filming it, and if you liked this video, don't forget to actually like it, and I will see you in my next video very soon. So